Illegal drug traffickers are making greater use of maritime routes to transport large shipments of synthetic drugs like methamphetamine. The United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, UNODC, highlighted this observation in its new report on synthetic drugs developments and challenges in East and Southeast Asia. Myanmar's eastern Shan state remains a top methamphetamine producer due to poor law enforcement ability and access exacerbated by the ongoing coup. Last year, Southeast Asian nations collectively confiscated some 138 tons of meth. The three Mekong nations of Laos, Myanmar and Thailand alone seized some 113 tons last year, accounting for 3/4 of the total methamphetamine seizures in East and Southeast Asia. Methamphetamine continues to be the most used drug in East and Southeast Asia. Beyond meth, the region also seized a record 27.4 tons of ketamine last year. That's a sharp spike of 167% compared to 2021. The drug agency also pointed out that the illicit drug trafficking patterns in late 2022 and early this year are starting to look similar to that of 2019 before the COVID-19 pandemic.
Some of the shipments come out of, say, the North Andaman with Myanmar down towards Thailand and then offload onto Thailand over into Malaysia overland. But you also see ship-to-ship transfers on the high seas, typically smaller ships, the smaller fishing vessels to larger fishing vessels that can go very far distances, potentially as far as a place like Australia, the Philippines, Taiwan, different parts of the region. There's a third method, though, that's also in use, which is beacons. They essentially dump them over the side with radio beacon or a GPS kind of tracking beacon. Ships then rendezvous with the coordinates and they pick up the load and on it goes. So again, this issue of drugs literally sailing by, it is a fact.
Traffickers using the sea to move their drugs is posing yet another challenge for authorities. Southeast Asia sees thousands of fishing vessels ply the regional waters, making it almost impossible to inspect every single boat. Authorities will therefore need to step up on their intelligence gathering and sharing in order to beat the traffickers in their game. May Wong, CNA, Bangkok.